Hello there, everyone. Kelly Williams here, bringing you a resource tutorial over Bytes. Bytes was one of AASL's best digital tools for teaching and learning in the classroom in 2021. Some quick logistics here for Bytes. The only way to access it is through your favorite web browser. Simply go up to the URL box and type in bytesmedia.com. The desktop site appears a bit big and clunky as you start to scroll down through the main page here. But after visiting the mobile site on my iPhone, I believe it's designed this way to be most appealing and aesthetically inviting and engaging for the student, which this site is dedicated to. In terms of pricing, it's $3.99 a month, or $40 a year for the teacher. There is no charge for students. To sign up, simply go to sign up. I'm going to log out real quick here. And then, as is with almost any website, it's going to ask you what you are signing up as a parent, teacher, or a student, and then basically fill in some of the important information. You do not need a sign-up code as a parent or teacher. You will need that, though, for your students. Okay, so I'm going to go back and log in real quick as myself so I can show you some of the other bells and whistles. So Bytes is all about current events, providing current event issues in an engaging and nonpartisan format for your students. We go back to the main page here for Bytes, and we can recognize that right away, articles page here, excuse me, there are several different hot topic issues from the past calendar year that Bytes has dedicated some time towards. The one that I assigned for my make-believe students was the issue over the NCAA and the payment of college athletes. Going to the student portal, your students would sign in. They would use your code. That code is right here, Williams J.R. Kelly _student. And they would click on read it. It would take them to the article, and it gives them an initial breakdown of what the issue is focusing on. And from each side here, the NCAA and those representing the side of the players, the athletes desiring compensation. Not only do you have several different links, PBS, ESPN, LA Times, the NCAA Sports Illustrated, to literature covering this topic, you also have some extremely informative, again, engaging to the high school or middle school student videos for them to click on and absorb. It then gets to a bit of a compare and contrast. The two sides, those that are for college athletes making money, those that are against, and comparing and contrasting the different aspects of this issue and where each side stands. More videos, more information about what has taken place, what is going on moving forward, and then finally, a brief quiz that the student will complete and then be able to give you a little insight into what they have learned and what their understanding is. Going back to the teacher portal side of things here with Bytes, you would then click on the article you've assigned, and it would take you to the answers that student has provided. And from there, you can simply grade those answers, therefore giving that student feedback. Again, collectively, I really enjoy this resource. I think it provides current event issues to middle school and high school students in an extremely engaging and pleasing format. I look forward to use it in my classes, as I've used different current event resources in the past, but they were not nearly this enjoyable, or entertaining. You could also use this in language arts classrooms, and I know at our school district we have a current events class for middle school students. I think it could be utilized there as well. In terms of Bloom's taxonomy and the SAMR model, we're talking lower levels here being touched on with this website. For Bloom's, definitely remembering, understanding, and possibly applying new information. And for SAMR, it's definitely housed inside that enhancement field of the SAMR model, where we have this substituting for the actual physical, tangible articles, newspapers, journals, etc. There's some augmentation being provided by this resource being provided through this platform. So in conclusion, really enjoy this new resource. Hopefully you've taken something positive from this tutorial. I look forward to incorporating it into my classes in this upcoming school year. And for $3.99 a month or $40 a year, not a bad bargain. Thanks for your time.